Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study one of the most important cell organelles, mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell. This topic is very important from the point of view of school exams, Neet, CUT and competitive exams. So let's begin. First of all, what is mitochondria? Mitochondria are double membrane bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells. They are responsible for the production of ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. Cells that require more energy, like muscle cells and liver cells, have more mitochondria in them. Why is mitochondria called as the powerhouse? So, mitochondria produces energy in the form of ATP through a process called cellular respiration, and the main cycles which occur inside mitochondria are Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, glycolysis. Generally, glycolysis occur outside the mitochondria, but the product is formed intermediate link between them. Now, most ATP is produced inside mitochondria. That's why it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Now, let's look towards the structure of mitochondria. So, mitochondria have four main parts. First, outer membrane, second, inner membrane, third, intermembrane space, and the fourth, matrix. Outer membrane have a smooth and permeable, allows small molecule to pass. Inner membrane highly folded to form cristae, increases surface area for ATP synthesis. Intermembrane space is the space between the outer and inner membrane, and the matrix, which is a innermost fluid filled region, and it's contain enzymes which are mostly required for the cycles, and matrix also have the mitochondrial DNA and ribosome in them. Now let's look to the spatial features of mitochondria. Mitochondria have their own DNA. They can replicate independently. They are semi-autonomous organelles. That is why mitochondria are believed to have evolved from bacteria. Endosymbiotic theory is the theory which proves that mitochondria are evolved from bacteria. According to the endosymbiotic theory, mitochondria were once free-living aerobic bacteria. They entered into a symbiotic relationship with early eukaryotic cells, and the main evidence which includes are like cellular DNA present in them, 70S ribosomes which mainly are present in bacteria, cellular DNA is also present only in bacteria, and double membrane structure. So this were the evidence which said that the mitochondria are evolved from bacteria. Now, there is one more important property of mitochondria, that it is inheritance of the mitochondria is generally maternal. So, mitochondria are maternally inherited. This means that mitochondrial DNA is passed only from mother or for the offspring, or generally mother to their offsprings. So important point for genetics examination, which generally asks that is mitochondria have the maternal DNA? So yeah, it have the maternal DNA. Now just look about the functions of mitochondria. So mitochondria performs several different important functions. The one of the important function is ATP production, regulation of apoptosis, programmed cell death, and heat production, metabolism of fats and carbohydrates, calcium storage, and many more. Now there is one most important thing which comes, that what happens if mitochondria are defective. So if mitochondria are defective, then they can lead to the mitochondrial disorders, muscle weakness, neurological disorders, metabolic diseases, and these are the mitochondrial disorders which will be caused if mitochondria go defective due to mutational, chromosomal, or genetic changes. Now if we look to this small summary for examination point of view, to what we learned today in this video is generally mitochondria are double membrane organelles known as the powerhouse of the cell, produce ATP, have their own DNA, maternally inherited. So if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe and comment below.